Hello everyone. So a lot of people have asked me about the angel prayers. Although it's clearly written in all the slides, I've explained it completely in detail. Now all you have to do is you need a fruit, which could be an apple, a pomegranate or a coconut, and you have to write down your prayers, the angels' names that I have said, I've written. Make sure you write all those angels' names, because that is to protect the evidences and to reveal the evidences to the CBI and Supreme Court, so that all those evidences that we believe may have been lost can somehow be revealed, and justice can be done impartially with complete honesty and transparency. So write down those names. You can write down the names of your God, your whoever it is that you believe in. Remember to write down your guardian angels and spirit guides as well. Below that, you write your prayers. You can write 3 prayers. One you can write for yourself. One you can write for your family. It could be finances. The third one that you write for Sushant Singh. So it's basically for justice for everyone who needs justice in this world, be it Disha, Sameer Sharma, or Jia Khan, or Sri Devi, whoever's names you wish to write, you can write. Basically, this was for SSR, and you write exactly what you believe should happen. That not only those culprits that have killed him physically, but all of those who planned it behind should, according to you, go behind bars, or they should be exposed, or they should be hanged, or it's preferable that you do not decide what kind of justice needs to be meted out, because the divine universe knows what's best done, everyone. So it's best that you write that let there be divine justice, and you can name the people if you want, but till it is proven that they are suspects, everyone is innocent. Other than that, what you have to do is write down the prayers, keep the paper on your altar. I've explained how you put the altar. If you don't have any statues or pictures of God, you need not keep them. All you need to keep is, spread a beautiful cloth that you would probably use for a temple or a puja or whatever that is. And on that, you keep that paper with the fruit on top of it. You keep a lamp and you burn it, and you make sure that that burns 24/7. If it's a candle, you make sure that you light another candle before that one is going to go out. Protect it, keep it in a covered place or something, so that it does not get blown out with a fan or with a breeze, because it's very breezy and it's been raining. And you keep flowers. You can use orchids, you can use preferably at least one white flower, because the angels associate with white flowers. If you have feathers, peacock feathers, white feathers, you could use that. If you have any shells or crystals with you, you could use that. And so flowers, fruit and lamp, that is the most necessary part of it. After that, once you have done that, after your dinner, preferably, you open the door and you read out the names, because you may forget. Read out the names. You can add more names to it, whatever names it is that you want. It could be Uriel, Ariel, and Sandalphon, Metatron, or your God's names. It could be anyone. And you welcome them in your home. How you welcome guests in the house? So you're welcome in my home. Please make yourself comfortable, and please stay here. And once you close the door and you come in front of your altar and you read out your wishes, these are my wishes. Please help me throughout when you are here, and help me specifically with justice. Once that is done, you keep the paper folded with the fruit on top, and you're done. Yes, of course, you need to burn some kind of incense. It could be in a diffuser, it could be essential oils in a diffuser, it could be incense, agarbatti, it could be dhoop, you could burn loban on a coal. Loban, incense, frankincense, Uh, all these things attract the angels, and they manifest, they invoke the angels around you. Trust me, during these 7 days or 10 days, you can keep it however long you wish. If you feel that the flowers are going to wilt, replace them with fresh flowers. If you feel that the lamp is going to go out, first burn another lamp and then replace that lamp. After doing this for 7 days, during those 7 days, if ever you feel that there is an issue or a problem, just pray to them, even in your mind. You don't have to stand there in front of them and say it aloud. You just have to pray to them that my angels or my guardian angels, please help me with this issue. And trust me, if you've lost anything, if somebody is not well, or if there is a financial issue, everything gets solved miraculously. In fact, the aura, the atmosphere in the house becomes so divine completely. So after that, when you're done on the 7th day, or whenever it is that you want to send them off, it could be 5 days, it could be 4 days, it could be 10 days, 15 days. Why I say is because on the 2nd of September, I believe there is going to be a full moon. And if you keep it till that full moon and then maybe 2 days after, it would be more beneficial to get justice or to make your wishes manifest. After that, whenever it is that you want to send them away, you thank them every day, morning, evening, for being there and for helping you with your wishes, even if it is justice for SSR. Every day, whatever you see on the media regarding the justice, if you feel there is something that is missing out, you can ask them. It's not necessary that you haven't written it in the prayer list, so you cannot ask them. Ask them. They will see to it that it is fulfilled. Secondly, so coming to the end of it, what you do is you thank them and you tell them, thank you very much for being here and helping us with this, and bless our home and always protect it, and always make sure that there is abundance and prosperity and good health, and thank you very much for being here. After that, you pick up those flowers and put them in soil. You put them in earth, in soil, in a garden. You can put them in water, but I would prefer that you put it in the soil. And the apple you're supposed to eat, let the lamp that is burning burn out. Do not burn it out on your own. Let it burn out completely. And on that lamp, that list of prayers that you have, you either tear it down to small pieces and throw it out of the window so that it flies with the air, and it can go towards God. Your prayers can go towards God's. That is the reason I've written names of Nathaniel and Barakiel, because they are the ones who take your prayers to God. And you either do that or you burn it on that lamp which is burning, and those ashes you put it out in the outside the window, in the air, in the breeze. You can also flow it in water. If you are next to a river or beach, you can do that, but this is the fastest and easiest way. So this is something which is so simple that anyone, anywhere can do. You don't need anything fancy. It's really simple and it's fast. And the last time I did this, after that was 5 weeks back. The video is there on my Instagram, it's there on my Facebook and YouTube. You can go and check the date if you want. And 5 weeks it's been since then, and things have moved speed miraculously and beautifully in those 5 weeks. A lot of things have been exposed and a lot of things are happening. And that's it. That's all. And if you ever wish, it's not that once it's done, it's done. You can always repeat it. You can repeat it after 10 days, after 15 days, if you feel something has gone haywire. Understand, I have been come to understand that all the political support that this issue has is because of probably the Bihar elections and whatever upheaval is happening in the Congress party. So once that is done, once that is sorted, the strings can be pulled. So make sure that you wish in front of the angels that this fight, within a matter of a month, even whether the elections or that upheaval in Congress continues or it is over, this fight continues, this fight for justice continues, and each and every single person, even if that person is not in India, can be brought to book. It could be even Dawood, or it could be people who have already gone abroad and who may be involved in a lot of that muck and scandals that are coming up one by one, be it money laundering, or be it drugs, or be it human trafficking. So a lot of things are coming up, and everything needs to be sorted out once and for all. It will take time, but at least justice for SSR needs to be done, and all those who go to jail should not get bail. They should go in for a long time, and they should be severely punished in a manner equal to what SSR has gone through, the pain that has gone through, the inhuman, horrible things that have been done to him. So at least let them feel the pain. So that was all. This was all about the prayer circle, because a lot of people had questions on how to do it. So that is how you do it. Thank you very much. And I hope, very soon things will shift. I myself plan to do it, if not today or tomorrow, then definitely day after, before the full moon, that is. And also remember, if you are doing it, take a picture on the day one, or if you have any problems during those days, you can always call me up. Don't message, call me, and take pictures, post it on your profile, send it to me or tag me. I will put it up on my profile. Let's see how many people actually do it. Also, most importantly, the more people do it, the more faster it becomes. So share this post or this prayer in your own way. You can post the link, you can share the video, you can share the slides. Do that so that more and more people around the world do it. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.